Billionaire Russian businessman is making it his life's goal to stay alive forever by uploading his brain into a computer. Dmitry Itskov, who made his fortune in internet media, is the founder of the 2045 Initiative, an organization working with a network of scientists to develop cybernetic immortality within the next few decades. Itskov, 35, acknowledges that without such technology, it's likely he could be dead by 2050. However, by perfecting the mapping of the human brain and transferring his consciousness into a computer, he could live much longer, either in the computer, transplanted into a humanoid robot, or as a hologram. Itskov started his foundation in 2011, and is the subject of an upcoming BBC Horizon documentary, The Immortalist. Speaking to the BBC, he said, "Within the next 30 years, I am going to make sure that we can all live forever. I'm 100% confident it will happen." According to the 2045 Initiative's website, they see this reality beginning with the creation of avatars by 2020, robots which can be controlled by the mind and send feedback to the user's brain, through a brain-computer interface. In the following 5 years, an avatar into which a human brain can be transplanted after death will be created. An avatar with an artificial brain which can host a human personality will be created by 2035, and a hologram-like avatar will follow by 2045. Heralding a new age for humanity. It's certainly an ambitious goal, and there's debate in the scientific community over whether the intricacies of the human brain can even be replicated in a machine at all. What's more, many of the initiative's ambitions rest on discoveries that humanity is not yet close to making. However, Itskov has started planning for his digital immortality and sees himself having multiple bodies and different forms, living on Earth and in space while his consciousness moves between them. Itskov is pouring his fortune into the initiative, but only time will tell whether he succeeds or not.